What does he do for work?
He is a doctor.
What time is it?
It is 10:15.
What time is check out?
The check-out time is 11:30.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate cereal and milk for breakfast.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to the park last weekend.
Who did you meet at the party?
I meet my friend Rui at the party.
How did you learn to ride a bike?
My dad taught me now to ride a bike.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English 2 years ago.
Which book did you read last month?
I read Harry Potter last month.
Why did you buy a new phone?
Because my old phone stopped working.
How much money do you have?
I have no money.
What is today's date?
Today is December 1st.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy folk music.
How do you usually celebrate it?
I celebrate with family gatherings.
What was the last movie you watched?
The last movie I saw was a thriller.
Who is your favorite singer?
I am a big fan of Justin Bieber.
What was the last thing you bought?
I bought a new book.
What is a country you know very little about?
I know very little about Mongolia.
Have you ever been a concert?
Yes, I have been a rock concert.
Have you ever been Hina play or performance?
Yes, I was part of drama club in college.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I typical have soup and bread.
Can you play any musical instruments?
I can play the harmonica.